with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you the very delicious guacamole salsa from El Pollo Loco. Yes, but we are going to make it at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients.
With Gloria, a woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make.
To make this delicious and amazing Copycat El Pollo Loco Avocado Salsa, this is what you're going to need. We're going to get our tomatillos. We're going to take the skin off. We're going to put them in this bowl. We're going to rinse them really good. And now that they're nice and rinsed, let's go to the stove. On the stove, I have a pot with water. I'm going to add my tomatillos. I'm going to add 3 garlic cloves. And I'm going to leave them there until the tomatillos turn yellow. That's when you know that the tomatillos are cooked. Don't overcook your tomatillos. In my blender cup, I'm adding a whole bunch of cilantro. I'm going to add 3 avocados, and these are organic avocados from my garden. So we're going to remove. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look. So here I am going to add the 3 avocados into my blender cup. Let me tell you, this guacamole salsa comes out delicious. It goes with everything. Tostadas, tacos, crispy, rolled tacos, burritos, on top of eggs for breakfast. You decide. But let me tell you, once you make this Copycat avocado salsa, you're going to love it. It doesn't come out spicy at all. I'm adding jalapeños in vinegar, and I'm adding 1 cup of the vinegar. Let me tell you, this is going to preserve this avocado salsa for maybe a week or 2. It's going to be amazing and delicious. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper. The tomatillos, the water started boiling. The tomatillos are still green. We're going to wait until they start changing color to this yellow. Look at this. 2 more minutes and then we're ready to remove. Now I am ready to remove and start adding it directly into my blender cup. To this, I'm going to add all my tomatillos. I'm going to add my 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to add 1 cup of the water where the tomatillos were boiling. This is filled to the rim. But we have 1 cup of the vinegar of the jalapeños and then 1 cup of the water where the tomatillos were cooking. I'm going to cover it and we're going to blend it. Let me tell you, once you make this salsa, you're going to love it. Very easy to prepare with very few ingredients you have at home. And of course, it comes out delicious. Nice and creamy and nice and thick. If you want it a little more runny, just add a little more of the water of the tomatillos. But let me show you the texture. Let me show you how creamy this comes out. And like I said, with the vinegar of the jalapeños, it's going to last in your refrigerator for about a week or 2. In my home, it doesn't even last 3 days. But here I want to show you how creamy it is and how thick it is. The color is just gorgeous. Look at this. Amazing. And it's still hot. Once it cools down, you're ready to enjoy. Of course, I am going to enjoy it with some eggs. Easy eggs, 2 eggs. I'm going to flip them. I'm going to add the salsa right on the top. I'm going to add 2 tortillas and I am ready to enjoy this avocado salsa. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for being part of my family. Thank you for always being here. I really do appreciate it. And now, of course, I'm going to enjoy this salsa with my eggs and my tortillas. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. Look at this. Of course, I'm going to lay a little bit on the top, and I am ready to enjoy. My mouth is watering, and I'll see you in a bit.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing avocado salsa. The avocado salsa you get at El Pollo Loco. Of course, I added right on the top of my eggs some avocado salsa. And this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, it's not spicy at all, but it has such an amazing flavor. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing avocado salsa. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
With Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria.